Hello students, following question is from test series 2, subject signals and system, chapter Z transform, and the question is asked for 1 mark. Question is, if x of z is equal to log of 1 by 1 minus a inverse z, then z inverse of x of z is equal to z of n, which is given by, okay, it's over here it should be x of n, which is given by option A is x of n is equal to minus 1 by n times a raised to n u of minus n for mod of z less than mod of a. Option B is x of n is equal to minus 1 by n times a raised to n u of minus n minus 1 for mod of z less than mod of a. Option C is x of n equal to minus 1 by n a raised to n u of n for mod of z greater than mod of a, and option D is x of n is equal to minus 1 by n a raised to n u of n minus 1 for mod of z greater than mod of a. So what we are given is x of z is equal to log of 1 by 1 minus a inverse z. So we can write this thing as minus log of 1 minus a inverse z. So from this, if I take derivative of x of z with respect to z, then what I get is minus times minus a inverse divided by 1 minus a inverse z. Fine. So this is nothing but I can say it is equal to a inverse divided by 1 minus a inverse z. So if we take a inverse z common, minus a inverse z common, what we get is minus a inverse divided by minus a inverse times z in bracket 1 minus a times z inverse. So if we cancel this and rearrange the term, what we get is minus z times dxz by dz is equal to 1 by 1 minus a z inverse. So that is nothing but, if we compare the standard formula, that is if minus a raised to n u of minus n minus 1, its z transform is 1 divided by 1 minus a z inverse for mod of z less than mod of a. Next again we have another pair, that is n times x of n, its z inverse is minus z dx of z by dz. So comparing these two equations, we can say that n times x of n is equal to minus a raised to n u of minus n minus 1. So this is nothing but, if we rearrange the term again, we would get the final answer, that is x of n is equal to minus 1 by n a raised to n u of minus n minus 1 for the range of mod of z is less than mod of a. That is nothing but our option B. Yes, option B. Thank you.